Hello, students. I am here with the very and very important lesson Dust of Snow. Yes, it is very good lesson. Dear students, friends, this lesson give us a very and very important idea of nature. In this nature, anything which is very small, we think. We thinks this is a very small, but everything have their own significance. Either this is a small particles in this nature or any big items of nature. Okay, so this is a dust of snow. So here the poets have experience with snow. This is ice, snow. So when he went there and saw this, he felt a very and very uh, a good, very good feelings he had when the dust of snow fall on his body. So let's know what happened in this story, and later we will know the importance point and central idea of this poem. So firstly we have to know this. In this lesson the poet say dust of snow. We can say here the title dust of snow. Dust means बर्फ. डस्ट मीन्स होता है जस्ट पाउडर, धूल. धूल कहते हैं धूल. डस्ट मीन्स धूल. सो यह धूल की बात कर रहा है. उसकी पाउडर जब बारीकी हो जाती है कोई भी बर्फ, तो जस्ट लाइक धूल की तरह वो उड़ता है. काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल होता है वो. एंड स्नो मीन्स यू ऑलरेडी नो दिस इज द बर्फ. ओके, सो लेट्स नो मोर. The poet say that here the way a crow, he say the way a crow, जिस तरीके से, way means रास्ता, but here the way means तरीका. जिस तरीके से, same, the sense of the so way means the same, तरीका या रास्ता. जिस तरीके से क्रो मीन्स कौवा, जिस तरीके से कौवा ने क्या किया, सुक डाउन ऑन मी. सुक द सेंस ऑफ हियर, मूव कर देना, किसी भी चीज़ों को हिला देना है. और जब मेरे ऊपर गिरा देता है, ठीक है, क्या गिरा देता है, टहनी को हिला करके गिरा देता है. क्या गिराता है, डस्ट ऑफ स्नो. And the small particles of the snow, it was just on a tree, and that tree is a hemlock tree, which is very and very poisonous in this nature. So here it has been compared कि hemlock tree is a very poisonous tree, and even it has very important their own significance, which is never count the sense of here. No anyone pay attention that this is a very good or bad, no. But in the nature this hemlock tree is here equal to nothing, कुछ नहीं के बराबर. No one give importance to this tree, but even the poet has a good experience about it. What he saying, poet say that कि when the crow a kind of the bird, kawa, when the crow shook down on me, जब उसको हिला देता है, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. hemlock tree के ऊपर बर्फ जमा हुआ था. when a crow came and shook down, जब उसको हिला देता है उस ट्रीज को, सो बर्फ की जो डस्ट है वो गिर पड़ता है. किसके ऊपर, राइटर के ऊपर, सॉरी पोएट के ऊपर. ओके, so what he felt, more and more important here, what he felt, and the feelings of poet is here the main central idea of this poem. So pay your attention please. What happened later, has given my heart. Wow, never anyone can feel like this. But he is a poet, and a poet has a very good sense than any simple man or person. So what happened, हैज़ गिवन माई हार्ट, मेरे दिल को दे दिया, मेरे मन को दे दिया। क्या? अ चेंज ऑफ मूड, एक विशेष तरह की चेंजिंग ला दी। क्लियर? मीन्स द फीलिंग ऑफ दैट स्नो डस्ट what give me, so he gave me a very and very good uh, relief and good and feeling. Okay, so here that trees snow of that trees give the writer a change of mood, पूरे उसके मूड को बदल दिया एकदम, काफ़ी बिल्कुल हैप्पी हो गया, काफ़ी वेरी एंड वेरी जो एक्सपीरियंस करता है वहाँ पर काफ़ी अच्छा था। एंड सेव्ड सम पार्ट ऑफ द डे आई हैड रूट। ओके, सो हियर द पोएट से दैट कि जिस तरीके से मुझे वो एहसास हुआ उस दिन, उस फीलिंग्स को मेरे लाइफ में ही मैंने अपने आप को सेव कर लिया। मीन्स कि वो कंडीशन, वो सिचुएशन मेरे लाइफ में क्या हो गई, शेप हो गई। मीन्स आई कांट फॉरगेट दिस। सो व्हाट हैपेंस, आइदर वेरी बैड थिंग्स, आइदर वेरी गुड थिंग्स इन द एवरीवन्स लाइफ दैट कांट बी फॉरगेट। सेम द वे it was a very good things the poet experienced, and this very good things he felt, okay, very and very nice, and he saved in his life, he can't forget in his life. So this is written by Robert Frost, and a very good writer, good poet, very good poet. Even the Jawaharlal Nehru used to have a written poem of Robert Frost in his own pocket always. It is called, so a very good poet, nature poet. So he has written this. I think you have just felt very better with these lessons. You have good experience. So okay, that's okay now. It's a fine. I hope you have felt very best. Thank you.